I have a picture of a mirror which I need to get the outline of the mirror so that we can save a DXF file and cut it out of mirrored glass and put in the frame. I'm using the logic tray system. If I did not have the program to do this, it would take a long time to get this outline in the computer, but with the logic tray system I can just trace it and then save it as a DXF file. I'm using the curve method where I'm doing a bunch of turn points. I get a very accurate drawing in just a few minutes. Then I can save that as a DXF file. This has a bunch of curves on it. Come back around to the beginning here. I'm all finished, click stop, and then I can save it as DXF file. What a great design.